Want to grow your hair out faster? I got you. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into some hilarious yet super effective home remedies for hair growth. We're talking about those DIY treatments your grandma swears by, but you're too scared to try because, let's be real, some of them sound kinda sus. Trust me, you don't want to miss this. I'm about to make you the Rapunzel you've always dreamed of being, minus the whole getting locked in a tower thing. So grab your notebooks, your hairbrushes, and maybe a clothespin for your nose because some of these remedies get a little fragrant. Let's do this. Alright folks, let's start with the easiest remedy on the list. Head massage. I know, it sounds too good to be true, but trust me on this one. Think about it, when you're stressed, you get a massage, right? Well, your scalp gets stressed too. When you massage your scalp, it's like giving your hair follicles a pep talk, telling them to go, grow, flow. It stimulates blood circulation, which means more oxygen and nutrients are reaching your hair roots. It's like delivering a VIP pizza straight to your hair follicles' doorstep. And the best part? You can do this anytime, anywhere. While you're watching Netflix, waiting for your instant ramen to cook, or even in the shower, just use your fingertips to gently rub your scalp in circular motions for a few minutes each day. Not only will this help your hair grow faster, but it'll also feel amazing. Like seriously, who doesn't love a good head massage? It's the ultimate form of self-care. So, ditch those expensive hair growth serums and give yourself a free head massage instead. You'll be amazed at the results. Next up, we're getting down and dirty with some onion juice. Don't click away yet, I know what you're thinking. Onion juice? On my head? Gary, have you lost it? Hear me out. This remedy has been around for centuries, and there's a reason why. Onions are packed with sulfur, which is like the Beyoncé of the hair world. It runs the show. Sulfur helps boost collagen production, which is essential for strong, healthy hair growth. Now let's address the elephant in the room. The smell. Yes, onion juice does have a rather pungent aroma, but I promise it's worth it. Plus, the smell goes away after you rinse your hair, so you won't be walking around smelling like a bowl of French onion soup. To use onion juice, simply blend a small onion and extract the juice. Apply it to your scalp and hair, leave it on for 30 minutes, then wash it out with your regular shampoo. Do this once or twice a week, and you'll start to see a difference in your hair growth. Chapter 3. Get Egg-cellent Hair. Let's move on to a remedy that's a little less smelly but equally effective: egg masks. Eggs are basically nature's protein shake for your hair. They're packed with protein, biotin, and other essential nutrients that promote hair growth and strength. Think of it this way, your hair is like a building and protein is the brick and mortar. The more protein you give your hair, the stronger and taller it will grow. And eggs are like the superhero construction workers of the hair world. To make an egg mask, simply whisk together 2 eggs and apply them to your scalp and hair. Leave it on for 20 to 30 minutes, then rinse it out with cool water. You can also add other ingredients like honey, olive oil, or avocado for extra nourishment and hydration. Trust me, your hair will thank you for this protein boost. Chapter 4. Aloe Vera. Not just for sunburns anymore. Last but not least, we have the miracle worker itself, aloe vera gel. This stuff is like the Swiss Army knife of hair care. It can do it all. Aloe vera is a natural moisturizer, so it's great for dry, itchy scalps. It also has anti-inflammatory properties which can help soothe an irritated scalp and reduce dandruff. But the real magic happens when it comes to hair growth. Aloe vera contains enzymes that promote hair growth and prevent hair loss. It's like giving your hair follicles a tall glass of water and a vitamin boost all at once. To use aloe vera gel for hair growth, simply apply it directly to your scalp and hair, massage it in, and leave it on for 30 minutes before washing it out with your regular shampoo. You can use aloe vera gel a few times a week, or even as a leave-in conditioner for extra hydration and shine. So there you have it, folks. 4 hilarious yet super effective home remedies for faster hair growth. From onion juice to aloe vera, these remedies will have your hair growing longer, stronger, and healthier in no time. For more information, please watch the video until the very end. From using onion juice, aloe vera gel, eating a protein-rich diet, avoiding stress to applying apple cider vinegar and more, watch till the end to learn about all of them. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more fun and informative videos. See you next time.